Under accessibility rules, no content on a page should move automatically. They should be pausable. Content should be written, not trapped in images, and you should be able to see the content when you want. This method of banner communication meets all of the above and is very simple to navigate and edit. You will have an element on the page where the banners are shown. Once added, this element does not need to be touched, and as such, you probably won't have access rights to edit it. As we can see here, there is no pencil icon to edit. There will be a subpage that looks like a folder, and this is usually called banners. This is the area we need to be concerned with to edit, add, and delete banners. When we click on the folder, it will prompt us to be in list view, but at this stage, being in page view is perfectly fine. As you can see, we have a stack of standard elements, and so creating a banner is as easy as creating a content element. To edit an existing item, select the pencil icon, or to delete an existing item, click the dustbin. To create a new item, we click the Content Plus button. The order the banners are shown and the order they are stacked here, so select the area you would like the banner to show. When we click New, a pop-up appears and we go to the Slick option. We then select Slick Content Element. Once inside the element, there are three things that we need to edit. We need a header, the content with a call to action, and a background image. Once we've added our header, add a strapline, and then we need to add our call to action. Banners should only be used to take the user to somewhere else that has more detail on the topic at hand. To create a call to action, first create a bullet list, and then add a hyperlink. The styling of the site will take care of the rest. Lastly, add an image that will serve as a background for your banner. We recommend using images without text on and that are okay to be cropped as the device scales down with use of tablets and mobiles. If we have set a title and alternative text when uploading to the file list, this will be shown here. As we do not have one set, we can set one here. For help with selecting images, please see the web team, who will also be able to advise on the best size images to use for your site. As with any other item inside TYPO3, we have access to the Access tab, where we can select a publish and expiration date. This is good for time-sensitive information. This banner method does have a limited number of slides that can be added due to the stacking of blocks and the height of the space on a website.